Hello everyone, welcome to Glowing Stars Bharat. Hello everyone, myself Abhishek and welcome back to Glowing Stars Bharat. Today we are going to talk about naming organic compounds. Dear friends, at the most basic level there are three key words to remember when naming organic compounds. First, prefix, suffix and the root. Find these and you are well on your way towards naming an organic compound. Naming gets complicated, but we can start by applying 5 steps to all compounds that need to be named. These rules follow a guideline known in organic chemistry as said by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, means IUPAC, which is an authority that creates standard used for naming compounds. Following the IUPAC rules ensure you name every organic structure correctly. Compounds naming steps. So dear friends, the primary goal of the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry naming system is to create an unambiguous relationship between the names and structure of a compound. With the convention established by IUPAC, no two distinct compounds have the same name. The IUPAC naming system greatly simplifies chemical naming. Steps in naming. First step, identify the longest carbon chain containing the highest order functional group. Dear friends, this will be called the parent chain and will be used to determine the root of this name. Keep in mind that if there are double or triple bond between carbons, they must be included. If one of the functional group would provide a suffix from the compound, just for example, an alcohol, which will be discussed later, then the parent chain must contain this functional group. Keep in mind that the highest priority functional group with the most oxidized carbon will provide the suffix. Dear friends, functional group an atom or group atoms which determine the chemical and physical properties of an organic compound. Importance of functional group. They are the unit by which we divide organic compound into classes. They are sites of chemical reaction. A particular functional group in whatever compound it is found undergoes the same type of chemical reactions. Next importance is functional group serve as a basic for naming organic compound. So dear friends, see the list of functional groups and types of compound, suffix or prefix. Also the give example. First is alkene, suffix ane. Alkene, suffix ene. Example ethene, C double bond C. Dear friends, table of common functional group in organic compounds. All are important for naming the nomenclature of organic compound. Next, type of compound: alkene, alkyne, alcohol, ether, haloalkene, amine, aldehyde, ketone, cyanide oxide, esteramide. All are functional group and all have suffix or prefix. Dear student, second step is number the chain. As a convention, the carbon numbered one will be the one closest to the highest priority functional group. If the functional group all have the same priority, numbering the chain should make the number of the substitute carbon as low as possible. See the figure. First is correct and second is not correct. Number of carbon in first figure, total 8 carbon. third step is name the substituent. Substituent are functional groups that are not part of the parent chain. A substituent names will be planned as the belonging the compound names as a prefix, followed by the name of the highest chain. See the figure 1-butyl, neopentyl, isopropyl. Fourth step is assign a number to each substituent. First, pair the substituent that you have named to the corresponding number in the parent chain. And second, multiple substituent of the same type will get both the di, tri and tetra prefixes that we have previously noted and also a carbon numbered designation even if they are on the same carbon. Last step, complete the name. Dear friends, names always begin with the name of the substituent in alphabetical order, with each substituent preceded by its number. Note, prefix like di, tri and tetra as well as the prefix like n and are ignored while alphabetizing. Non-hyphenated roots that are part of the name, however, are included. These are modified like iso, neo or cyclo. Next, the number are separated from each other with comma and from words with hyphens. Finally, we finish the name with the name of the backbone chain, including the suffix for the functional group of higher priority. Dear friends, see the example. 4-ethyl, 5-isopropyl, 3,3-dimethyl, methyl octane. And also, circle or highest the parent chain in each of the following compound. Dear friends, practice this exercise. You also practice this all exercise and give the answer in my comment section. So dear friends, I hope that you have understand the nomenclature of organic compound. We have tried to explain the whole nomenclature in a short time. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also share. Thank you.